So, video natin ngayon guys is ano yung laman ng Mommy's with Toddler versus this is Mommy's with Toddler versus here.
Can you tell I'm a mommy?
Mommy's with Toddler versus Mommy with college. So, which one we gonna go first? Should we go with
The mommy?
Okay, Mommy with Toddler first. So, what's inside the bag? Mommy's with Toddler.
Huggies wipes.
Yes, you always need that.
Yes. Especially when the baby poop.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
What about Lola?
Lola.
Your turn. Oh, me?
Oh, so we're gonna do one by one.
Yeah.
ba?
You do one by one. Oh, you want me to do everything?
Oh, yes,
Ah,
yes.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so far I got a Huggies wipe.
It's okay, you can go.
And then, of course, you have to have water for the
Yes.
baby. And, of course, you're gonna have toy.
Toy.
Say hello, hello, Grandma. Can you hear me now?
That's
And,
cute.
of course, you have to have a diaper.
Rubble.
Especially when he poop again. And sometimes it's work for daddies too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sana
And
no, para
then-
mabayaran tayo. Hindi naman nagbabayad kasi.
This is, of course, allergy medicine.
Yes.
This is a Certec
Yeah, for
for my baby
outside,
for
yeah.
allergy, especially for the yellow dust.
Yes.
So this is from the doctor. I didn't
Yeah.
buy this.
Ben has the same one too, but he only uses it on the springtime.
And of course, you need right now. You need a mask.
Sabay.
Yes, Mickey Mouse mask.
Saan mo nakita yan?
Philippines when we went home last time.
Galing
This is used to be 100 pesos only, but I heard this is like 500 or 300. This
Yeah,
said.
they're golden right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before, yeah.
Because of something
Taking
going on.
advantage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And of course, this is for nose. You want me to show you?
Yes.
Okay.
What's inside?
Do you want me to example?
Go ahead.
Okay, this is that. And then,
Ay, ano yan pang baby? This is for the baby,
this
right?
is for the baby.
For second.
You have to put that and then you go like this. Like this. You put it in her nose, in his nose, and come here, auntie. Come here, like this. Like that. This is really important for the little kid.
Yeah.
So-
Ben doesn't do that anymore.
Yeah,
Yan ba
so,
yung ginamit mo?
huh?
Yan yung ginamit mo?
Yes.
Wala kang ano?
Yeah. So you need that, and that's for
Yeah.
salt for his nose.
That's good if they're stopped up.
Yeah, so that's really important. You have to have this in your purse all the time if you're a mommy.
Yes.
But if you're single, that's, and of
Something
course, receipt.
BX.
You have to support the BX, guys.
Yes,
you know.
military, number
It's
one.
good to shop at Best Buy. You have to support our own
Yeah.
military exchange. And of course, my wallet. My little tiny
What's
wallet.
inside your wallet?
You don't wanna know? You wanna know?
No, it's personal.
Voila!
Wanda.
I only have $1, $2, $3. I'm so rich. I have $3. You have to have at least $1 for
Yes.
if your son wants some candy.
Right.
That's it. And
More diaper. I see a diaper in there.
oh yeah, of course you have to have more diapers
Yeah.
because you can't just have one. And then I got, of course, this is card from the Chick-fil-A when you order kids meal.
Oh.
I just stuck everything in my purse, and of course you can have this,
Yeah, you need
when
that.
when they go have a sip on, you go like, okay, ma, okay, I have to wipe you.
When you have a snot.
Yeah, so or anything dirty, you have to wipe.
So that's
yeah, and of course lotion.
yeah.
My
important.
son has he has some irritating skin.
Dry
Dry
skin.
skin, so I have to have lotion all the time.
Yeah.
When it turned red, I have to put some.
Wala na siya nun, ano?
No, because I always put some. And of course, candy from Auntie Rose. You have to have candy. Yeah.
So sweet.
Yeah. Auntie Rose always give us candy every time
Yeah.
she saw us. And of course,
Car.
toy.
Yeah.
I will see if I can find a lipstick in here. No, nail cutter. And of course,
Bottle cap.
the bottle cap. You know, when you do everything, you just throw in your...
Yeah.
You don't have time anymore. What else? What is this?
Red ribbon.
Panali
Hindi
yan
ko
sa
nilagay
ano.
yan dito. Oh,
Bath
this is
and
from
Body
the...
Works.
Yeah, I think Daniel took this one day. And I just stuck... He likes the red. So I stuck in my purse.
Daming naman ah.
Of course.
Pen.
And of course, coupons.
Yeah,
I
you need
always
that.
grab in the BX.
Yeah, you need that.
Yeah.
Save you some.
Marami pa.
Dami ah.
Oh, I found some lip gloss. And this is from Rose too, my birthday present.
Cute.
Bravo.
So that is guys. That's it guys for
Mama?
I got more right here.
Oh,
Of course, you
yes.
have to have this.
Yeah, especially around
Yes.
this time with
Yeah.
whatever's going on.
Yeah, and
Dito.
oh, that's for my glasses stuff. Of course. Oh, lollipop. Another lollipop. And socks. Mickey
One
socks.
piece.
No, that's two.
Oh,
You have to have this all the time.
there was only one.
That's it. Now you can see the mommy's
So yes, so that's
Right
it
there,
guys.
that's the
That's the
mommy.
mommy's purse with toddler. And we're gonna go check it out, the mommy's purse with the college kid.
Nasa na yung grandma's kid?
This is
Ano?
Eve.
Okay, I have my lotion here.
Oh.
You put yours over here, I put mine here
Yes,
because you
that's
will confirm.
that's important. Lotion. We don't want to have dry skin.
Yeah.
Makeup.
Makeup bag, yes,
And I
you-
put my lipsticks in here.
See, and that's why it's so easy to have a mommy,
Eye
you know,
drop.
a kids with in college.
A little mirror. Salamin.
How cute. That's cute.
Chopstick.
Nice. Don't try my bag because my bag's like there's a tornado has been in there.
Extra.
It's worse than mine.
Oh yeah, terrible. Lipstick,
Lip shiner.
lip shiner. See, she's complete. She's
Perfume.
perfume. Oh, nice. Perfume.
And what kind of purse you have?
Brahmin.
Oh, mine it's Coach.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Liner.
Pencil liner.
Lip liner. That's it. Inside of this.
The small bag. Make
Yeah.
up the bag.
Nice.
No, just leave it there.
Huh?
Just to confirm
It's
yan.
organized.
Pagkatapos.
Yeah.
Kasi ito, pag dinala ko sa work, I have everything in here that I need.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Organized.
Tapos cellphone kit.
Cell phone.
Flex if I get hungry.
Yes. Ah, nice.
Okay, 1-to-1. Paso par.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mask,
two now. It's
yeah.
two.
Yeah,
Now it's two.
important. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very
Snap.
important.
Car keys.
Oh, you need that to get somewhere.
Oh,
Hand
yeah.
sanitizer, yeah. The most important right now, guys.
Comb.
Comb.
I don't have that comb.
I don't have time.
And I have reading glasses so I can see better.
See, she's organized, huh?
Yeah.
Very
Then I
organized.
have my card keys when I go to the store. Diba?
Store card.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the house key.
Yeah, I see your wallet in there, Eve. What's inside your wallet?
My wallet.
Full of money.
No, I don't have that much money.
Just cards. Yeah.
I only have.
Now these days, most people use
I
just
have
card.
$11.
Oh, she's got cash too.
Yeah, we're in
Yeah.
the States now.
We
Yeah.
don't really use cash over
Yes.
here. We use card.
Card.
Yeah,
Yeah.
debit card all the time.
Yeah.
Use debit card or star card most of the time. I use my star card.
Yeah.
You get points.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Ours we have $500,000 on our credit card.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah. We never use it though for like
Yeah.
a long time.
Inside,
Yeah.
inside here,
Makeup.
I have chewing gum.
Yum, yum.
Ay, hala. Yung mga
Gift card.
gift
Oh,
card
yes,
ko when I
gift
got
card.
my employee of the month.
Oh.
I didn't use it. I keep forgetting to use it.
Nice.
$75 in there.
Wow, they give you?
You have to use it before you...
This one, no expiration. I don't think.
Oh,
Just double check the Sunday.
Then someone gave me this.
nice. So you have a lot, Eve, to go shopping.
Because
Kasi
mine
nung nagka-COVID, then
No shopping, not enough
shopping.
time.
Tapos meron akong ano dito bigay sa akin.
Oh,
May nagbigay sa akin dito si Gina yata. Yeah, I think that was si Gina. Hindi, yung ano lang, maliit na ano. Yun,
oh, nice.
binigay niya sa akin nung umuwi siya sa
Then we're
Pilipinas.
not gonna return this, right?
Ano yan?
Not now, because it's open.
Because I ripped the bag. I mean the paper.
Pen, yeah, important. Need a pen.
Oh.
Dental floss.
Wow, you can prepare.
And then mirror again.
Mirror. She likes mirror.
Because I like
Nice.
lipstick all the time.
It's Coach too.
Oy, yeah. Matches with my.
Wow.
Tapos another
Gift card.
cards. I think
Starbucks.
Starbucks.
Nice.
Thank you.
Daming gift card oh.
May binagbigay sa akin dito customer.
Customer. Nice.
Tapos nail cutter.
Nail cutter din. Siya din may nail cutter.
Kasi pag nabi-break
Yeah.
nails,
Yeah.
then,
You
Wow.
have to have the cutter in your purse.
I need to keep
yeah,
keep
you
that
know,
in
that's
mind.
it.
Because like when we go
That's it
somewhere.
inside.
That's it.
Tapos I have my
IDs.
ID for
Yeah.
work.
Outside,
When I go to work,
That's
when I
nice.
go inside
Yeah.
the base, this is what I use.
Good idea.
And then my time card when I clock in and clock out.
Yeah. Ready.
And then this one is for the Dunkin'
Wow.
Donuts na ano.
Cute.
VIP coffee.
Coffee.
Coffee VIP card
Wow.
from Dunkin' Donuts.
So guys, that's the difference between the
Mommy.
mommy with toddler and the mommy with college student. And this is with mommy with toddler. That's her stuff. And this is hers with college students. So
Yeah, I
thank
have
you
to
guys
use-
for watching.
Thank
And thank you guys for
You're welcome.
You're
for
welcome.
agreeing this video.
No,
Please.
but
About the Lola.
And she's just watching.
Yeah,
What's
just
your
one-
purse?
I don't have it. I just
the
brought
Lola.
my
What about the Lola?
I didn't have a
I
purse.
didn't bring my purse.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I love you all. Bye.